So first I'm going to do the lid for the Kettle-Style teapot. I've got a pair of calipers here, and I'm going to squeeze these together and hold them right across the center line. And I want to be measuring the interior edge of the top part of this lid area. So once I've got my measurement made, that's going to be the widest part for the lid. So I'll set the calipers aside and start centering the lid over here. So I've got it on center. I'm going to push down, but I don't want to make this pad too thin yet. I want to push down just on the edge. And then I'm going to check with my calipers. That's a little bit too wide still, so I'm going to push that in a little bit before I start pulling up the center. That's pretty close. So now, next I'll show how to pull up the center stem of the lid.